Okay, hello is xi sai yun. Xi, this is s, and this is yi, but together it's xi. Okay, it's you. Sai yun, sai. Okay, it's like a Mongolian language. So Mongolian language is a sign. Okay, so sai is like good. Okay, and the yun is the question word part. Make it into a question. Okay, yun. This is yi and this is wo, and this is en. Sai yun, xi sai yun. It's like how are you? Okay, it's also used for statement. It's like a ni hao. It's like a hello. You can also use it as hello. Xi sai yun. Okay, the answer is B. 我么西撒音。我很好。I'm very good. Okay, B. I. Okay, 我么西我么。Okay, M, and this is in the middle. Xi. Very much. Okay, sign is good. Sign. This is a loan word from the Mongolian language. So look at here and here, they are the same. Okay, I, very good. Okay. Xini Gebubo Isenbi, what's your name? Xini Xi Ni. This is your. Xi is you, but Xini is your. Okay. Xini Gebu Ge Ge Bu Bu. Okay. This is name, and this is a bu. I just make it very easy. Okay, you just consider this bu as to be. Like your name is, okay, is called what? 你个不不 I. This is a and this is yi, so this is a. Okay, like this. 你个不不 I 什么 b 什么 s and m b 什么 b like to be called. To call, your name is what called? Okay, it's like what's your name? Okay, my name. Okay, write mini here. Okay, mi, ni, mini. Okay, it's my. Okay, gebu, name, bu, name. Okay. And the bu is usually make them together. They can also be separated. Gebu and bu can be written separately. Okay, my name is, okay. Let me see. Okay, I just put a real Manchu name here. Okay, like Nuahash, the founder of the later Jin dynasty. Okay, Noah. No. Okay. Noach. Okay. Gach or Hach. Okay. So I'll put a circle here is a H. Or you can put a dot here is Ga. It doesn't matter. Okay. Noah Hach. Okay. So that's a Manchu name or Dutch name. Okay. Minika Buba Noah Gach Sambi. Some. B. It's like a call. My name is called Noahach. Okay, so thank you. Thank you is Baniha. That's the short way. Ba Naini. Okay, this is Yi. Okay, Bani the Ha. This is like a thank you. In an informal way. Okay, formal way is simba ambalabani ha. Sim ba. Okay, it's like a you as an object. Okay, this is you as a subject. So simba. So you can see that you put muba it becomes an object. Okay, simple umbrella, la. Okay, so this is like a greatly. Okay, very much. Umbrella, baniha, ba ne ni, and ha. Like I thank you very much. Okay, so and goodbye is J Asaki. Okay, J means again. J. This is like a J and R and E. J. Okay, Asaki R. This is R in the beginning. Okay, just two teeth. R. Cha. Cha means to meet. Okay, and the ki means wish, want. That means want meet you again. Okay, you is omitted. So or shiramo ashaki, shi ra ma, it means continuously. So this ma, change this shi, the verb, into an adverb. So shiramo ashaki, a cha ki. Okay, so like a continuously meet. Ki is want or wish. So when grammar is explained, it becomes complicated. So just try your best.